Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. So what I've simply got here is the direct drive Evo Interpump. 13 litres, 210 bar, the E2E2113. Now you'll see that this setup now has been transformed. So what we've set this up as is flow and return system with also prime and frost valve. So you've got your prime and frost valve there in place as normal. On the inlet side we've got brass wire strain filter, clip connectors going into it for feeding the pump at the bottom side. We've then got the flow sensitive unloaders. This is set up for flow and return. You've also then got the dump return pipe off the bottom of the unloader here. Taking the parts out of the middle of the actual unloader and set it all up that way. So obviously on that side it's got an external unloader, so you can leave this pump running all day long, you'll never do any harm. Especially when it's running at 3,400 RPMs, because that's what this pump runs at. If you're running 3,400 RPM and you don't turn that off, that pump will slowly soon do the seals, and you'll be changing the seals and the valves regular away and the unloader, because what's happened is it's overheating all the time if you don't knock it off. This machine now, this pump on this setup can be left running all day long without doing any harm whatsoever. Something as simple as this, done, dusted, like I say, external unloader, so if that unloader wears any stage, you're not replace the head or anything else, or the kit itself, you're putting a fresh unloader on, done and dusted, you know it's right. And like I say, so 1 inch shaft is this, so the female hollow shaft that goes onto the engine itself directly. Got the oil bung at the back of the pump there, comes with the dipstick as well, but this has got the bung at the moment. Take that and replace it over. Like I say, prime and frost valve. Every time you come to start it, open that valve up. Once it's primed up and ready to go, close it. Brass wire strain filter down here. Just if your tub filter ever gets damaged or anything else like that, that's the only time really you need to go into there to check it. Secondary precaution, that's all on the pump itself. This part here, you'll regulate it on the engine. This part now is redundant, it's not used. So all done and dusted. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.